Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurlaili Pratiwi. I'm from second semester, class T in English Literature. In this opportunity, I would like to tell about my opinion about death penalty. As we know that death penalty is the most severe punishment in Indonesia after long life punishment. And in Indonesia, many people talk about death. And there are some views of death penalty. According to laymen, they say that they agree with this punishment. This punishment gives to people who make big mistakes, such as drug trafficking, severe murder, and corruption of the other. I also agree with this because drug trafficking is very dangerous for all people in Indonesia, especially for young generation, right? And if we use the drug, we can addiction, and we can damage ourselves and damage our future. I would agree that drug trafficking was intended to fool the people of Indonesia. Perhaps the country drug distributor has meant to the people of Indonesia because they scare the young generation of Indonesia will be smarter and could rule the world. I think Australia is one of the countries that want to have power in the world. Why not? Because some Australian citizens include drug distributor in Indonesia and make Indonesian full, and they can increase income for their country. After the drug trafficking were caught by police and give them death punishment, but Australia do not agree with the punishment concerning their citizens, even though they are surely get big mistake, but in Australia still answer back. We know that death penalty has many impacts, and I think that has negative and positive impact. The positive impact, the death penalty will give very effect for all drug trafficking in Indonesia. I agree with this, but in the past, I don't agree the death penalty against people who defend human rights in Indonesia, such as figure Munir. Negative impact maybe after Indonesia execute a citizen who has been in charge of death penalty, other countries against Indonesia imaging will be damaged. And according them, if they use drug in other countries, it will be okay, and it is a small thing for them. Do not close the possibility after this will cause less harmonious relationship between countries. But the law still has to be upheld, and Indonesia should be consistent with this law. Despite the potential negative implication of Indonesia, but we are convinced that Indonesia will be better than become developed country when the law indiscriminately in Indonesia. And I hope for the future Indonesia will be the developed country which is not easy fooled by other countries, and the young generation can change Indonesia. Indonesia will be better. Okay, the second title, I would explain about my opinion about ASEAN-Africa Conference. As we know, the ASEAN-African Conference is one of conference between ASEAN country and Africa country, such as India, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Indonesia, and many others. And this meeting took place on 18th April until 24 April 1955 in Gedung Merdeka Bandung, Indonesia, and now on that road named Asia Africa. The purpose of the establishment of ASEAN African Conference, that is to build cooperation between Asia countries and Africa countries to fight against imperialism. At that time, representatives of each country from 29 countries come to Indonesia. One of the wishes of Indonesia that want to promote their rights in contradiction of the Netherlands concerning West Irian. On the last April, Indonesia have been commemorating 60 years of the ASEAN African Conference. This event was very crowded, and all society of Bandung are excited to celebrate. Thousand people witnessed many activities at this event, and they look very happy. These events are held Asia Africa Carnival, Asia Africa Summit, Student Conference, and Creative Cities, and many others. And each show ran very smoothly. I applaud the mayor of the Bandung, Ridwan Kamil. He can prepare the show up like this. It's very amazing. I hope the ASEAN African Conference is not only commemorate as a symbolic or ceremonial, but also it could give a chance for any of its citizens. Then build solidarity between countries and can embody their ideals as a single entity which non-allegiant. I found yesterday was ASEAN African Conference running better than ever, and I would expect Indonesia contributed to this cooperation. And Indonesia can make other citizens as a reflection of development in Indonesia. ASEAN African Conference will attend 29 countries should build stronger cooperation in the fields of economy, political, social, cultural, human rights, racism, and the world peace. Indeed, the previous countries suffered pain in the past before the existence ASEAN African Conference, and currently we are still colonized by Western countries with modernization. Hopefully, after the ASEAN African Conference yesterday, conduct of the concerned countries could better understand that the countries were being colonized through the economy, the thoughts, and the attitudes. And yesterday meetings may be able to strengthen the consolidation among countries in Asia and Africa to fight the new style rule, so that is become an independent state. The state essentially and strongly implement the resolution of the 10 Principles of Bandung in order to create peace and prosperity in the world. In addition, my expectation after running ASEAN Africa Conference yesterday could have the Palestine achieve independence, because Palestine has historically important for Muslim to be conserved and do not fall in the hands of Jews. And that's all about my opinion, and sorry for every mistake, and thanks for your nice attention, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.